Hello, tfal! Erġajna tqajna flimkien fil-jum tal-Ħadd. Anke llum kellna nerġgħu niltaqgħu b'mod differenti mid-djar tagħna. Minkejja li m'aħniex fil-Knisja, xorta waħda f'dan il-mument se niltaqgħu ma' Ġesu u nippruvaw nifhmu x'rid jgħidilna llum permezz tal-kelma tiegħu. Illum ninsabu fil-5 ħadd tar-Randan, l-aħħar ħadd tar-Randan qabel ma ngħixu il-ġimgħa mqazza. Dik il-ġimgħa li fiha Ġesu se jbagħti, se jmut, imma wkoll se jqum mill-mewt. Ħanara ftit illum Ġesu se jgħidilna fil-Evanġelju.
Stories of the Bible. Jesus raises Lazarus from the dead. This is Jesus,
Heyo!
who is the Son of God and the Savior of the world. While Jesus was on earth, he taught everyone about God's love. He did many miracles and healed people of their sickness. Jesus had a friend named Lazarus who was very sick. He had two sisters named Mary
That's okay.
and Martha,
Here you go.
who sent a message to Jesus telling him, "Lord, your dear friend is very sick."
So come on!
But when Jesus heard about it, he said, "Lazarus' sickness will not end in death. No, it happened for the glory of God."
What?
So although Jesus loved Martha, Mary, and Lazarus, he stayed where he was for the next 2 days.
Alright, let's go!
Finally, he said to his disciples, "Let's go back to Judea."
Are you sure?
But his disciples did not think this was a good idea because the people in Judea had tried to kill Jesus. But Jesus told them they were going anyway. He said, "Our friend Lazarus has fallen asleep, but now I will go and wake him up."
He'll be okay.
The disciples thought Jesus meant Lazarus was simply sleeping. So Jesus told them plainly, "Lazarus is dead.
What?
And for your sakes, I'm glad I wasn't there. For now you will really believe. Come, let's go see him." Thomas said to his fellow disciples, "Let's go too and die with Jesus." When Jesus arrived at Bethany, he was told that Lazarus had already been in his grave for 4 days. Many people had come to be with Mary and Martha because their brother had died. When Martha got word that Jesus was coming, she went to meet him. Martha said to Jesus, "Lord, if only you had been here, my brother would not have died. But even now I know that God will give you whatever you ask." Jesus told her, "Your brother will rise again." "Yes," Martha said, "he will rise when everyone else rises at the last day." Jesus told her, "I am the resurrection and the life. Anyone who believes in me will live even after dying." "Do you believe this, Martha?" "Yes, Lord," she told him. "I have always believed you are the Messiah, the Son of God." Then she returned to Mary. She told Mary, "The teacher is here and wants to see you." So Mary immediately went to him. When the people who were at the house consoling Mary saw her leave so hastily, they assumed she was going to Lazarus' grave to weep.
Oh, let's go too.
So they followed her there. When Mary arrived and saw Jesus, she said, "Lord, if only you had been here, my brother would not have died." When Jesus saw her weeping and saw the other people wailing with her, a deep anger welled up within him. "Where have you put him?" he asked them. They told him, "Lord, come and see." Then Jesus wept. The people who were standing nearby said, "See how much he loved him?" But some said, "This man healed a blind man. Couldn't he have kept Lazarus from dying?" Jesus was still angry and he arrived at the tomb. "Roll the stone aside," Jesus told them.
Wait, hold on, Jesus.
But Martha protested, "Lord, he has been dead for 4 days. The smell will be terrible." Jesus said, "Didn't I tell you that you would see God's glory if you believe?"
Go ahead.
So they rolled the stone aside. Then Jesus said, "Father, thank you for hearing me. You always hear me. But I said it out loud for the sake of all these people standing here, so they will believe you sent me." Then Jesus shouted, "Lazarus, come out!" And Lazarus came out, his hands, feet, and head wrapped in cloth.
Hello?
Jesus told them, "Unwrap him and let him go."
Wahoo!
Many of the Jews who were there believed in Jesus, for he had raised Lazarus from the dead.
Wara li rajna ftit Ġesu x'għamel din is-seta tal-Evanġelju tal-lum ta' dan il-Ħadd, tajjeb li nippruvaw nifhmu ftit x'irid jgħidilna b'din l-istorja u b'din il-ġrajja li seħħet. Ewwel nett naraw li Ġesu kellu f'qalbu kien iħobb u jgħoss il-ħbiberija. Fil-fatt kif jgħidilna l-istess Evanġelju, Ġesu kien ħabib kbir ta' Lażru, Marta u Marija. Kien iħobbhom ħafna. U kull meta kien ikun f'Betanja, jiġifieri l-post ir-raħal fejn kien jgħix Lażru, kien joqgħod id-dar tagħhom. Illum f'dan iż-żmien li ngħixu, aħna ma nistgħux immorru fid-dar tal-ħbieb tagħna u lanqas ma nistgħu mmorru fid-dar tal-akbar ħabib tagħna Ġesu, jiġifieri lanqas nistgħu mmorru l-Knisja. Daqshekk però ma jfissirx li aħna m'għandniex insibu mezzi ta' kif xorta waħda nitkellmu ftit ma' xulxin u ma' Ġesu. Mal-oħrajn nistgħu nużaw it-teknoloġija. Ma' Ġesu m'hemmx għalfejn bżonn it-teknoloġija, iżda tajjeb li flimkien mal-familji tagħna u f'xi waqtit ukoll ftit waħedna nitolbu u ngħidulu dak li għandna ġa qalbna. Għax Ġesu lest li jisma' it-talba tagħna u lest li jilqa' it-talba tagħna għax aħna ħbieb tiegħu. Ġesu wkoll jgħid lil Marta li jekk hi se temmen fih kien se jagħmel miraklu kbir. Għal Marta meta huwa miet bħal donnu spiċċa kollox. Ma kienx fadal aktar tama, ma kienx fadal aktar x'tagħmel. Iżda Ġesu jgħidilha, jekk inti temmen jien se nqajjem lil ħuk il-mewt. Anke aħna llum f'dan iż-żmien diffiċli qegħdin ngħixu, donnu ma fadalx tama, qegħdin ngħixu fi żmien ta' biża', ta' dwejja. Però llum Ġesu jgħidilna biex nemmnu fih. Nemmnu li waqwa u ikbar minn dan il-virus, għax propju hu għam il-mewt, rebaħ lill-mewt. U allura fil-waqt li nobdu dak li jgħidulna, jiġifieri noqogħdu ġewwa ma tantx noħorġu, importanti wkoll li nafdaw u nemmnu f'Ġesu li se jirbaħ din il-marda wkoll. Bħal Ġesu aħna wkoll għadna nitolbu. Fil-fatt, qabel ma wettaq il-miraklu, Ġesu jitlob u jitkellem mal-Missier. U allura f'dan iż-żmien ftit diffiċli, fl-istess waqt qegħdin ngħixu flimkien fil-familja għandna iktar ħin għal xulxin. U allura tajjeb li matul il-ġimgħa mod partikolari nitolbu iktar mal-familja tagħna, nitolbu flimkien. U nissuġġerilkom biex f'din il-ġimgħa kull meta tistgħu intom waħedkom u anki mal-mami u d-dedi tagħkom mal-familja tagħkom titolbu din it-talba. Ħalli flimkien inwasslu lil Ġesu dak li hemm f'qalbna. Allura issa f'dan il-mument nikkalmaw ftit, nġibu l-Ġesu qudiemna preżenti u ngħidu dit-talba flimkien. Ħalli flimkien nagħlqu din il-laqgħa tagħna illum. Nitolbu flimkien. Mulej Ġesu, illum fil-Evanġelju stqarrejt. Missier, irrotlok ħajr li tismani. Aħna nemmnu mulej Ġesu, li kull meta nitolbu int tismana. Nitolbuk tibqa' magħna f'dan iż-żmien diffiċli. Bħal Marta aħna wkoll inħossuna bla tama quddiem il-marda, però fl-istess waqt nemmnu li int tista' tagħmel kollox. Kif illum għajjimt mill-mewt il-Lażru għax int il-ħajja, int il-qawmien. B'konvinzjoni li se tismana nitolbuk għal pajjiżna, għal dawk li jaħdmu fl-isptar mal-anzjani, għal familji tagħna, għas saċerdoti, kif ukoll għal dawk kollha li spiċċaw weħidhom. Hekk kif int għajjimt mill-mewt il-Lażru, aħna bħal Marta ngħidulek li aħna nemmnu fik. Kif int għajjimt il-Lażru mill-mewt, bil-qawwa tiegħek hekk ukoll għad teqred dan il-Mart. U kif ferraħt lil Marta u Marja bil-qawmien ta' Lażru, hekk ukoll qed tferraħ lilna, mhux biss meta jispiċċa dan il-Mart, iżda wkoll meta xi darba qed inkunu miegħek għal dejjem fil-ġenna. Mulej, fil-waqt li nemmnu fik, nitolbuk tismana. Amen.